Alright, for a simple factoring problem, we're going to try to factor this expression, 6a squared b to the fourth c plus 27a cubed b squared c to the fifth minus 12a b to the third c to the second. So this has all of the elements of basic factoring. We need to find the least common multiple between 6, 27, and 12. And so near as I can tell, 27 isn't divisible by 6, so it has to be 3. 3 is common to all of these numbers. So I'm going to write it out front. What is the least common multiple of a squared, a cubed, and a? Just a simple a. B to the fourth, b to the second, b to the third. We can take out two b's, so it's b squared. C to the fifth, and c to the second, we can only take out one c. Now this is our least common multiple for the entire thing. What we're going to do is we're going to write each term divided by this least common multiple. Now you might be able to do that in your head, and if you can, feel free to skip a step. But if it's hard to keep track of, see what we're doing here. We're going to write a parentheses, then take this term, 6a squared b to the fourth c, and divide it by 3a b squared c. Then add 27a to the third b squared c to the fifth, divided by our LCM of 3a b squared c, and subtract 12a b cubed c to the second, divided by 3a b squared c. Now what I'm doing here is I'm showing you what's going on when you factor. You don't really realize it, but since factoring is the opposite of distributing, and distributing is multiplication, what we're really doing is the opposite of multiplication, which is division, but it's kind of hidden behind the scenes. This is where it happens. If I were to remultiply this out, that is distribute, all of the 3ab squared c's would cancel, and I'd be left with the original expression. So, proceed to the next step. 3ab squared c, divide the 2. This will give us a 2a, the b squared, and the c's cancel. Now we have 27 divided by 3 is 9. A to the third over a is a squared. B squared over b squared cancels. C to the fifth over c is c to the fourth. Minus 12 over 3 is 4. A over a cancels. B to the third over b squared is b. And c squared over c is c. And there we have completely and accurately factored this expression by the common term 3ab squared c.